How to create a Ticketmaster account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a Ticketmaster account. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up a web browser and search for Ticketmaster. After you search for it, open up Ticketmaster, the website. You can simply go to ticketmaster.com too. And after you are there, you will see the sign in/register option. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll get redirected to this page. Now, if you have an account already, simply log in using here, or else tap on sign up and redirect it to this page right here. Now here you'll need to add in your email address and your password. And after you type in your password, you will need to type in your first name, your last name, and your zip code. Now you can choose your zip code and then your country of residence. Tap on next after you do that. And now what you'll need to do is you'll need to add your phone number and your email number to verify. So I'll add my email right here. So add in your email address. So let me go to my email and check for the verification code. You can do that too. And after you find the verification code, simply copy it and paste it on that site. So let me copy this, head over here and paste it. Now, as you can see right here, there is a timer, so make sure that you're quick. After you do that, tap on confirm code. And after you tap on confirm code, your email will be verified. Now, you'll need to verify your phone number too. So add in your phone number. And after you add in your phone number, you will have created your account. And that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.